The relationship that ended before it ended. I know a couple that stayed together for 2 years after they should have ended things. Not out of love exactly, more out of familiarity, out of the shared apartment and the mutual friends and the Sunday routine that had become so deeply woven into both of their lives that unraveling it felt more terrifying than staying in something that had quietly stopped working. And the thing is, they were never cruel to each other. There was no big betrayal, no explosive ending. Just this slow, gentle cooling, like a fire that nobody fed until one day you look over and realize there are only embers. They still held hands in public, still said I love you before bed, still show up to each other's family dinner, but somewhere in private, in the quiet spaces between all of that, they both knew. They had known for a while. It ended eventually, the way those things do. Someone finally said out loud what both of them had been thinking, and there was a grief, real, heavy grief, not just for the relationship, but for all the time they spent inside something that had already ended while pretending it hadn't. I think about them sometimes, about how much courage it takes to end something that isn't terrible, how we've taught to live when things are bad, but nobody prepares you for the grief of leaving something that was just quietly no longer right. And I wonder how many people right now are living inside that. A relationship that ended before it ended. Staying not because they're happy, but because living feels like too much to carry. If that's you, then you already know what I'm about to say. Maybe you're not ready to hear it yet, and that's okay. But somewhere beneath the routine, the comfort, and all the reason you've stayed, you already know the truth.